This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info. Profit from these great tips about Forex. Learning all there is to know about Forex may seem like a stressful thing to do, but in reality learning about Forex isn't that bad once you learn some basic tips. You want to start out learning what you can about Forex. This article is a great place to start, so see what insights you can gain from it. Study the current market activities and you will be able to see a trend. Go with the good trends that you see and you will be able to get the most earning potential. Be careful not to sell a currency if it is on the rise, and don't purchase when it is on a downward slope. If you are a beginner in the Forex trading business, it is important that you find the broker that suits you just right. If you do not find a broker that has goals in line with what your goals are, your time that you spend in the market will be difficult. When trading currencies on the Forex market, make sure you always trade with a stop-loss order. This prevents you from losing too much on a trade. Currencies are extremely volatile and it is easy to lose your shirt, but as long as you trade with a stop-loss order you can minimize losses. Successful Forex trading often involves knowing your boundaries. Carefully consider whether or not you would be able to sustain a loss. If you can't, you should not be involved in the process in the first place. Only use money that is not set aside for other purposes. One of the best resources for learning about Forex trading, whether you are a beginning trader or already have experience, is Forex trading forums online. You can get real, accurate, and up-to-date information from more experienced traders, and these traders are willing to freely answer your questions. Avoid Forex brokers who promise very large returns on your investment. Currency trading is extremely volatile. It can, in fact, produce large returns, but this requires very high-risk trading strategies. The broker that promises very large gains is not a reputable broker, and it is better to choose a broker with a solid reputation, based on conservative strategies. Do not place multiple positions of identical size on Forex markets. The size of your position should be calculated as a percentage of your available liquid capital, not as a lump sum. When you place one position, your liquidity drops, so your next position should be smaller. This will prevent you from unintentionally taking on more risk than you want. If you have difficulty spotting the trend in a Forex market, take a step back by examining the charts for the longer term. If you are concentrating on 15-minute intervals, look at the hourly charts. If you are on the hourly intervals, examine the daily charts, and so forth. Trends that seem obscure will often clarify themselves when examined in a longer time frame. Now that you have some more ideas in your head on how to go about making strategies for your Forex goals, you should feel less stressed. Remember that the more you know, the more you have to use at your disposal. So learn as much as you can and success should follow. This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info.